Hello there! Today I'll be unboxing a PSA 1 Plus Rode Studio mic arm and the Shure SM7B. These are really good pairing as both look and perform on a professional level. Plus, the Rode PSA 1 Plus arm fits perfectly into the Shure mic without any needed attachments. When I'm using the Shure SM7B mic, like now, I'll be using it with my Behringer UMC204HD with no line amp. The unboxing video and setup videos will use my recording from the phone, which is a Galaxy S24. Alright, so this is the Rode PSA Plus 1. Here's what you get in the box. The arm. Spring loaded, open with care. Your mounting hardware. You have instructions. And we can go with this one. We're going to put this on the desk and put that in. Alright, so you want to open it away from anything. It just says in case it springs open. In my case, it didn't move or anything. But it has a real nice sleeve on it. Here's your end of your, where you hook your microphone. Oh, there it goes. Now it's extending on its own. And we'll put, this is the end that you'll put into your, into here. So I'm going to put it right over here. This is the cell phone holder I was using earlier. This is made by UMC. So maybe I'll do a review on that one day. But it's pretty simple tool. So here I'm just going to figure out off camera where I want this and mount it. I could drill a hole through that if you wanted to use this, but I don't feel like drilling a hole. Now we will unbox the SM7B. Got some manuals, stickers. On the screen. Mounting adapter. Whatever that is. Sound effects not included. Alright, if you're using this Rode PSA 1 Plus and you have this adapter, you don't really need this adapter because it's literally the same threads, same size and everything. So you should be able to screw this in with no problem. Alright, so I just rotated it this way, righty-tighty onto that, and so it looks like from above. Alright, so your XLR cable clicks in here, has these built-in cable holders, very snug. Hope I didn't damage the wire. I don't think I did. Of course this cable's pretty old too. Might have to upgrade that one day, but it's really long and fits into this UMC204HD. Now my main concern is, does it have enough juice to power this this Shure SM7B? Because I guess this mic is very power hungry. It requires a lot of power, so I might have to put in a inline amplifier and buy another cable, like a cloud lifter or something. We'll see when my testing. If you would like to support the channel and my family of 6, please use my Amazon affiliate links below to purchase. It costs you nothing extra and it helps in a small way to keep my channel going forward. Thank you. This is the Shure SM7B on a XLR cable going to the Euphoria UMC204HD. Alright, I'm testing this. Settings right here. I'm about 3 inches away from the mic. Here is the compressor, the limiter, the noise gate, and the equalizer. Before I go, I wanted to share the specs from Shure's website. I also wanted to say that I would suggest on buying an inline amp because it's probably not good to have the interface work on max gain so much, and I believe, based on watching other videos, that the quality is a little better. Okay, I think this concludes the video. I hope this helps because I couldn't find a video with this mic and interface featured. Alright, like and subscribe if you want. Alright, bye.